If your sink or bathtub is draining slowly, it's probably because the vent pipe is clogged or not working right, and that's something a lot of folks totally overlook. So the vent pipe lets air into your plumbing system, which helps water flow smoothly down the drain. If it's blocked, water kinda gets stuck or drains super slow. First off, check for any obvious blockages around your roof vent. Sometimes leaves, bird nests, or debris just hang out there and mess things up. If you can safely get up there, try clearing out whatever's clogging it. Inside your home, if you notice gurgling sounds when water drains or stuff backs up easily, that's another sign the vent might be the problem. You can also pour some water down the vent pipe to see if it flows freely or backs up. If you're not comfortable climbing on the roof, it's smart to call a plumber who can use special tools to clear the vent pipe properly. Keep in mind, regular checks every 6 months can save you from slow drains and costly repairs later. And remember, those vents aren't just there for fun. They're key to keeping your home plumbing running smooth. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slow draining issues is ignoring proper venting altogether, which causes constant backups and smells. Fix this by making sure your vent pipes are clear and free of debris. Another common issue is trying to fix slow drains without checking the vent pipe first, so you end up wasting time snaking the drain when airflow is the real problem. Always inspect the vent before doing anything else. Lastly, many folks attempt DIY vent cleaning without the right tools or safety measures, risking injury or damage. If you're unsure about climbing on the roof, it's way safer to hire a pro who knows what they're doing. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to spot for finding trustworthy local contractors who understand these plumbing quirks and can get your vent pipes working right again. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners looking for someone reliable to handle their home fixes.